What is going on, guys? Legacy Attempt here. Sorry if you hear some background noise. Someone's like cutting the grass or something. But earlier I had to sign for a package. I had no clue what it was. I opened it up. I did not order this. Never even heard of a Supra pad. Don't know what it is, so can open it up. Looks pretty legit. So we're gonna take this, save it. First we're gonna open this little thing. First we got a charger. I guess it's a charger. Some crappy earbuds. Nothing else. Got some type of adapter. Guessing that's if you want to use a keyboard or a mouse or something. Yep, because it has that little thing right there. Gonna put this back in the bag. Hold on. Alright. Then here, this little thing got this manual. Now for this. Looks real. It's not turned on, so I'm gonna go charge it real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got it charged. Messed with it a little bit. I signed all my stuff up to it, and it's legit. I don't know why exactly I got this. What is this? It's got a quad core, leather case, built-in Wi-Fi, Android, PS800. That's weird. Well, guys, I guess that was in my first unboxing. No, this is not going to be a series or anything. I don't exactly have sponsors to send me stuff. So, once I start getting some sponsors, I might make an unboxing series or unboxing channel. Until then, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Peace.